High above the clouds, survival hangs by ancient stone. The stone cistern holds life itself.
Water level dropping. Something is wrong.
The inspection team assembles with traditional tools.
100 meters of empty air below.
Repair materials: only stone, mud, and bamboo. Measuring confirms the water loss. Entering the cistern to find the leak. Fingers find the crack. Waiting for the verdict. The crack explodes across the floor. Water hemorrhaging through stone.
Emergency pressure to stop the flow.
Mixing the ancient sealant.
Passing materials into the danger zone.
Sealing the leak from inside. Locking the seal with stone wedges. Testing the repair holds.
Climbing out soaked but successful. Next problem, the bamboo water pipe system.
The bamboo pipe runs dry. Climbing to find the blockage source.
Leaves compressed into solid blockage.
Preparing the traditional clearing tool. Wind threatens to worsen the blockage. Pushing against compressed resistance. The blockage shifts, about to burst.
The pipe erupts!
Leaves everywhere, total blockage revealed. Clearing the pipe entrance by hand. Pushing deeper to clear remaining debris. Flushing the system clean.
Water flows again.
Checking the entire pipe system for flow.
The cistern receives life-giving water.
The final threat, the stone lid.
The lid vibrates ominously in wind.
Gaps beneath the lid, unstable fit.
preparing stone wedges to stabilize.
Hemp rope prepared for emergency securing. Storm clouds gathering, wind strengthening. Lifting the massive stone lid. Worn surface causes instability. Lowering the lid back, still unstable. Wind surge, the lid shakes violently. Kael fights to hold the stone. The lid begins to shift off center. Shadow crawls to opposite side. Extreme wind, the lid rocks dangerously. Others lie flat to survive the gale. The lid tilts to dangerous angle.
100 meters straight down.
Kael embraces the stone with full bod weight. Shadow braces the opposite edge. Maximum gust, the lid shifts toward the void. Wind subsiding. The worst has passed. Stone wedges hold firm beneath the lid. Binding the lid with traditional rope. Double knots lock the system permanently. The cistern system fully restored. Standing slowly after the ordeal. Testing the rope holds under tension.
Hook 1 floor crack remains sealed. Hook 2 bamboo pipe flows steadily.
Hook 3 stone lid secured against all wind. Gathering tools for future repairs.
The cistern feeds the entire cliff village.
Water level rising after successful repairs.
The village elder arrives to inspect. Silent approval, the old way.
Returning to the village below.
Afternoon light bathes the restored cistern.
Hook 2 bamboo pipe flowing in sunlight. Hook 3 secured lid in afternoon glow.
Sunset over the completed cistern.
Villagers draw water from the restored source.
Crystal clear water, clean and safe.
Night falls on the cliff village.
Hook 2 pipe flows steadily through darkness. Hook 3 lid unmoving despite night winds. The cistern guards the village through night.
Prayer flags beside the sacred cistern.
Warm lights far below the dark cistern. Bamboo pipes connecting life through darkness. Stars reflected in still cistern water. Clouds roll below the impossible village.
Hook 1 mud straw hardens through the night.
Hook 3 rope binding tight through cold night. Cistern fills completely overnight. The cistern stands sentinel through the night.
Green moss witnesses new repairs.
Night mist settles on the restored cistern. Hook 3, final rope knot holds through night.
Stone path from village to cistern rests empty.
Distant Himalayan peaks witness the success. Hook 1, sealed crack glowing in moonlight. Hook 2 bamboo pipe flowing under moonlight. Hook 3 secured lid bathed in moonlight.
Water flows eternal through the night.
Prayer flags honored in moonlight breeze.
Abyss depths below the triumphant cistern. The village sleeps protected by water above. Moonlight penetrates to sealed floor. Bamboo pipe system glowing in moonlight. Lid and rope secured under moon and stars. The perfect cistern guards eternal water. Above the clouds, survival endures through ancient stone and skill.